Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Casey. So today I am unboxing two parcels. One of them is from Morphe and one of them is from BeautyLish. So I ordered a ton of Jeffree Star Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes and then just one Jeffree Star and Morphe collab of his highlighter brushes. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the Morphe box. So I'm gonna open this. I was told to open things better, so open them like this. So we're gonna start here. So in here should be the Jeffree Star X Morphe palette, and then one of the highlighter brushes, and then there should also be a Morphe lip kit in like a nude color. Let me just take the little thing with the address on it out of there. Okay, so I'm so excited. I just hope nothing is broken. We have bubble wrap. Okay, oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so we have a highlighter brush from Jeffree Star and Morphe collab. It's called the JS4 Fly High brush. I'm really excited for that. And then we have Out and a Pout Nude Pink Lip Trio. So there's a lipstick, a lip gloss, and then a colored pencil in there. So, and then it's just a pink nude. I'm just gonna open this because I want to see what they all look like. Okay, so it comes in like its own little wrapping. So I ordered all Jeffree Star products because like I don't have anything of his, and like I just really like his palettes, so I wanted to get something that well, a bunch that were his, because the quality of them is like amazing. So I've got this Backseat Love lip pencil. This one, I cannot read that. Oh, sorry, it's called Pop. So this is a liquid lip, or a lip gloss. Gloss? I don't remember. Yeah, it's a gloss. Okay, and then this one is called, it's called Wifey. Ooh, okay, so it's like a little nude pack, so they're nice and cute. Okay, I'm excited to wear those. Oh, I hope this isn't broken. Okay, so the last thing in here, of course, I'm gonna put this box just off to the side here, is the Morphe Jeffree Star. Oh my god, he's so pretty. Look at how pretty he is. Okay, let's get into this. I want to like cut that picture out and put it on my wall. Okay. Oh, this palette is pretty. Oh, please don't be broken. Please. Oh my god. Okay, so this is what we have. Oh, let me get that little thing off there. This is what we have. These colors are so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use this. I'm not gonna like swatch anything. I mean, everybody's already seen swatches of literally every Jeffree Star palette ever, so I'm not gonna swatch any of this, but I'm gonna like do a video with each palette separately. I'm so excited. This one has so many pretty colors. Okay, now I'm gonna put everything right back into its boxes because I want it to stay safe until I use it. And then I have this giant box from BeautyLish. So this has been sitting in my bedroom for 3 weeks. Because I knew I wanted to start a channel and I just never got around to it until a couple weeks ago. So this has been sitting around waiting for me to open it so that I could do it with you guys. And hope to gosh that everything is safe in here. There are 4 Jeffree Star Cosmetics palettes in this box. So here we go. Oh, okay, so the wrapping is like all of his tattoos. Oh my god, I want to keep that. That's, oh, Please don't rip. Okay, well, I can sacrifice a little bit because that's like the end game. Oh, that's so pretty. That's the coolest thing I've ever seen. Okay. I just want to be very gentle with that. I could like hang that on my wall. Okay. Now we have, I'm so nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. Okay, there's some kind of like a little sample in here. And a card. Let me take that out and read it. Repair and restore conditioner and shampoo. Shampoo and conditioner. Orb Gold Loves? I don't know. That's what that is there. And the little card. Oh, okay, so this is the company. Okay. Oh, I'm so nervous to open this. Okay, so right on top here, I can already tell what these are. So this is the blood sugar. I ordered the trio, like the blood trio it was called. So there was blue blood, blood sugar, and blood lust. They were $71 each, Canadian. I know, I overspent here. Sorry, I should have showed you this before I opened it. I just could not wait. Oh my god. Okay, so here is the packaging. Oh my gosh. I really hope nothing is ruined. This is so pretty. This red is gorgeous. Okay, I'll open it for you and then look at it after myself. Oh my gosh. I can see it in the reflection that it's so pretty. Oh, I cannot wait to use these, yeah, because red and pink is like my go-to colors for when I'm doing my eyes. Like, I'm wearing kind of a reddish shade today. Well, like a peachy shade right now. But this will be super exciting to use. I like this pink. Cavity. Look at the, he puts like the imprints on them. I like this one. Okay, so that's blood sugar. So excited. I'm gonna put this one back in its thing as well. I like how this is like a movie. Do those go out or in? They go out. It looks like, it reminds me like of like a VHS from when you were young. From when you were young. Okay, next thing in here is the blue blood. Oh, this box is gonna fall. Okay, so this is the blue blood packaging. I have glasses that have like this wood grain also. These are so pretty. Okay, open this for you. So this is what it looks like inside. It's like supposed to be like a little coffin. And it's like a really nice baby blue color. Oh, look at, this is blue too. The clasp. These are hard to open backwards. Okay, there we go. And the reveal. Okay, nothing's broken. Thank God. These are the lovely shades in the Blue Blood palette. So I don't really use blue too often, but like obviously I'm gonna have to start using blue because these are gorgeous. Like everything that Jeffree does is gorgeous. I really want to get some of his like lip scrubs and some of his like velour liquid lips. Okay, let's throw this back in its packaging. Like Jeffree Star, like I don't know, I just find him to be like, he's pretty, he's kind, he like legitimately came from nothing and now he's like got everything he could ever want. Like, that's life goals, isn't it? Okay, I'm gonna save this one that you can probably already see for last and just continue on with the blood collection. So this last one in that collection is Blood Lust. And it is purple. Oh, look at how pretty this is. Paige, this is like right up your alley. The purple and the gold. And legit the crown. Ooh, ooh, it's like velvet. It's like, not velvet, but like it's a different texture. Okay, so This is crushed velvet though. When you open this up, this palette. Ooh. Oh, it's so soft. It's so pretty. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, everything looks pristine. Oh my god. This is beautiful. Okay, these two shades already that I can see in the reflection. I'm gonna take this little thing off. This one, Wet Jewel, and this one, Pink Magic. These are gonna be amazing. And this is like a purpley black kind of shade. Executioner. That looks so pretty. The last one I have in here is like the one that I was, like the main reason that I ordered all these. Every single one of these was $71 Canadian. So for the 4 palettes, I paid $300 Canadian. That's including tax and shipping. So each one of them was $71. This last one is the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star collab, the Conspiracy palette. So excited for this because I love watching both of them on YouTube. And how do I open this one? Okay, it slides out. Oh my god. Okay, so this packaging is so cute. This is what it looks like. And oh, one of these is already open for me. So I've got this one. Oh, I'm nervous. Let's just take a moment to look at this cute little star here. Okay, are we ready? Oh, let's get the plastic sheet out of there. I start whispering because I'm nervous. Oh, it's so pretty. It is beautiful. Look at these colors. These colors are so vibrant. Oh, I cannot wait. That yellow though. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. The little prints in here are so cute. The little pigs and the little teacup. Like, look at the pigs. Look at them. The little Diet Coke can, like the little teacup. Oh, this is just gorgeous. I can't wait to use this. Okay, so for each of these palettes, they're gonna have their own video where I like use them and try to do like a little look for them. I always want to put these little plastic things back in. I don't know why. I'm like, it protects them. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to do a look with each of these palettes. This is like the most exciting thing that's ever happened to me in my entire life. Okay guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Give me some tips, give me some ideas for what you want to see on this channel. I know I said it before, but like I feel like I'm just gonna be doing a little kind of bit of random stuff every time. Like I'm not gonna be like set to just like doing makeup or like unboxing. Like I want to do some like clothing hauls and try-ons, and I've got a couple Shein ones planned, so we're gonna do that. And yeah, sorry, a little bit of sweat there going on. So yeah, come back for the next one, and thanks again for watching and supporting me. Bye.